G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make 2-ingredient coconut ruffs. This is so good, so easy, so tasty. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a baking tray or just something that you can put in the oven that's non-stick, or just put some parchment paper or baking paper down. Get about 1/3 of a cup or so of desiccated coconut. Just put it in there. Now turn your oven on to about 160 degrees Celsius, which is about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just after 2 or 3 minutes, just give it a little stir so the stuff underneath can get a little bit browned. While the coconut is in the oven, get 250 grams of chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever. Just melt this, so put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, give it a stir, another 30 seconds, give it a stir, and just repeat that process until the chocolate has completely melted. Alrighty, that is nicely browned. Now get the melted chocolate and get the coconut, pour it in, and just mix it through. Oh yeah. Now get some mini cupcake holders. I like to use these silicone ones so that I can use them over and over again. Get the mixture, pour it in, pour it to whatever height you wish. I usually put it to 3/4 or more. Now just pop this in the fridge until it sets. It depends on the temperature of your fridge. Might only take half an hour. Now they're ready. Didn't take long to set at all. And just peel it. Yum. Well, I hope you like these. Yum. Oh, so good. I actually cannot describe how awesome this is. I'll see you next time for my next meal. Come to Daddy.
Simple Cooking.